If you view plants as harmless, noble creatures that provide us with the elixir of life, hang tight, cause your view is about to change real soon. Did you know some plants eat animals? And the tactics they use to lure animals to them will leave you shocked. In today's video, we are going to find out about the top 10 dangerous plants that eat animals. We are saving the best for last, so stick around till the end. Starting with number 10, we have the trigger plant. Though it sounds quite intimidating, the trigger plant is harmless for the most part and only feeds on small bugs. In fact, we do not know yet if it can be classified as carnivorous. Researchers speculate that the reason behind trapping insects and killing them might be to protect insects and not to fulfill nutritional requirements. Nevertheless, this plant does have sticky hairs, which serves the purpose of trapping insects, and it secretes digestive enzymes to dissolve them slowly. In the 9th positions, we have Brasenia reducta, which belongs to the Bromeliad family. Like most carnivorous plants, it secretes enzyme that attracts insects. The plant lung pictures reflect ultraviolet light. It was not until 2022 that this plant was proven to be actually a carnivore. Next, we have Cobra lily in the 8th positions. The cobra lily scientific name is Darlingtonia californica, as it is usually found in parts of northern California. This plant got its name because it looks like a cobra that is about to make a move and kill its prey. These plants have sweet-smelling pitchers that attracts insects. To trap them inside the pitchers, they have translucent fake exits which animals usually try to escape from. Eventually, they get exhausted from trying to leave through the fake exits and fall prey. These tricks might not work on all insects though. It is known that there are insects that gather this plant's pollen, but we do not know which species of these insects belong to. 7th on the list is the tropical pitcher, also known as the monkey cup because sometimes monkeys use the pitchers to drink water. In classic carnivorous plant fashion, these plants secrete sweet-scented nectar that lures insects and even mammals to their pitchers. Once the animals are trapped within, sometimes it takes as long as 2 months to digest them, giving the animals a slow and painful death. The 6th plant on this list is the corkscrew plant. It mostly feasts on microscopic animals and can be found in Central America and Africa. In order to attract the prey, it uses its long and pale underground leaves that are shaped like roots. Its scientific name is genus Gentlisea, and it is classified as herb. This is definitely the most unique plant on the list. Next up, we have Portuguese sundew. It is usually found in soils and have low nutritional value and can be found in countries like Morocco, Portugal, Spain, etc. It emits a sweet smell that lures insects. On its leaves, there's a sticky substance called mucilage that traps the insects, and the plant slowly releases digestive enzymes that dissolve its prey. Its scientific name is Drosophilum lusitanicum. Next up is Roridula. This plant is native to South Africa and operates differently than most of the other carnivorous plants. It only does the job of trapping insects on its sticky leaves but doesn't kill them. This task is done by a species known as Pameridia roridulae. The plant and the bug have a symbiotic relationship with each other and functions in harmony. These bugs secrete nutrient-rich waste which the plant then absorbs through its leaves. It's truly fascinating how nature works in harmony. Number 3, we have butterwort. Most carnivorous plants attract insects by secreting a sweet scent, but butterworts work differently. They have broad leaves that contain secretions that looks like beads of water resting on the leaf. When insects come seeking water, the digestive enzymes dissolve them and absorb all the nutrients from the insect. Not just that, they leave behind the skeleton of the insect on the leaf, as if to boast to the world of its newest win. Am I the only one who thinks this sounds extremely evil? The 2nd plant on our list is Tripophyllum. It is only found in the tropical parts of Western Africa. It has a lot of stages in its life cycle. Initially, it looks like a normal plant and develops huge oval-shaped leaves. In the next stage, long, sticky, granular leaves emerge. These are the leaves that take care of attracting, trapping, and absorbing all the nutrients from the trapped insects. In the last stage, it grows into a climbing vine and can map an enormous area. And topping this list, we have the iconic Venus flytrap. This is probably the one carnivorous plant that is most popular among people. This plant is notoriously nasty and smart as hell. They have eyelid-shaped traps that can shut down within a matter of seconds when an insect wanders inside them. To conserve their energy and make sure they are not wasting it on dirt or other inanimate objects, the Venus flytrap's trap only shut down when insects touch 2 or more inner hairs. Scary, isn't it? That's all for today's video. Which plant did you think was the most dangerous? Let us know in the comments below.